Now we can route a vertical route with a 4 mm steel. It's pin like this way to. Before route we have to like some like this way. Okay, you can see the road result. Now we try to route 4 mm mild steel, and you can try to route for you. And need the other side. Okay, before route we have to make a spot to fix the line. Okay, here is road result. Okay, here is 6 mm, so you can see mild steel, and we can to straighten the road. Vertical, we call it vertical. Right now you can see road results. Now steel road 6 mm steel with a spring welding effect. Like this way. The two metal together and the rod like this.